Guys, what is going on? I think everyone is everyone is happy and doing some work related to college or related to job, anything. But you have to work like I am doing some work on regular basis. So today we are solving problem number 19. Remove nth node from end of the list. Okay. So given the head of a linked list, remove the nth node from the end of the list and return its head. Okay. So look at the example number one. So we have five element in a list, and we have to remove this. Let's say we have a target input. We have a linked list one, two, three, four, five, and target is two. So the output will be one, two, three, five, one, one. Output zero. Okay. So the node is removed the number of okay from I mean you can reverse the list and then delete the number of two then again reverse the list. Okay, this is the simple idea we can do, but this is the simple idea we can do obviously, but we can do with the two pointer. Okay, so how can we do? We have a step. So move fast pointer and step ahead, move both slow and fast together. So how can we do? Let's think about it. Let's say this is the example we have to remove from the end of the list. Okay, we have to remove from the end of the list. So this is one, this is two, this is three, this is four, this is five. Okay, and end of the list. We have to count the number from end. Okay, so that's why this is removing. The example is removing four here. Okay, how can we do? We have to create two pointer and we have to move both pointer. One is slow and other one is fast. Then then fast if fast reaches and slow is just before node to delete the node. Okay, like how if the like here if we have created two pointer, both is on this, so we have to run first pointer to fast, then this will go this, then this, and the second one to go slow, then this, then this. So, okay, the faster one will reach the end quite faster than another one. Okay, so when the second one will go to the pointer, element, so it should be on the minus two position, or we can say location. Okay, if the second pointer reach the destination, then remove the node. Okay, this is the approach. So what we can do? We have to create two pointer. Like we have to create two pointer. Like we create mm, first we create dummy. Okay, then list node. So we are starting from here. Then again this will start from here. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to create two pointer. One is slow, which is quite slow from fast. Okay, so this is on dummy. Again, the fast also on dummy right now. But what we have to do? We have to move fast and plus one steps. Okay, 4 in range and plus one. Fast equal to fast dot next. Then what we have to do? Then move both. First, I move the fast plus one. Then we have to move both one by one. Okay. So while जब तक कि फास्ट आगे रहेगा तब तक दोनों चलते रहेंगे. ओके. देन स्लो इक्वल टू स्लो डॉट नेक्स्ट. देन फास्ट इक्वल टू फास्ट डॉट नेक्स्ट. Then remove node. Okay. If both reach the destination, then remove slow dot next equal to slow dot next dot next. यानी जंप एक नोड की जंप कर दी. Then return dummy dot next. Now I think it should work. La 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 la. Now I'm gonna submit this. Yes, this is working good. Okay. So why it is working? We have maintained a gap of n between fast and slow, and then when fast reaches end, the slow is at correct position, and then we remove the slow, we remove the element, or we remove the destination, or we remove the target element. Okay, so this is, I think you should, yes, now it is, yes, this is, now you can see clearly. So thank you guys. This is the solution of this video. We will meet again in next video on next topic. I don't know what will be the topic, but we will meet on next topic, probably from the linked list. Again, we will solve a link video. Again, we will solve a problem on linked list. Okay. So thank you guys for watching the video. Goodbye. Bye bye. पता ना कितने बार बाय बाय बोलूँ. चलो ठीक है जो भी है. चलो बाय.